Alright, so this quick tip is about having your model, 3D model, adhere better to the Ender 3 Pro. I started getting something, I couldn't find a term, I started calling it shake and bake because as the bed rocks back and forth, it actually broke the piece loose from the bed. I even used the Elmer stick glue trick and it started shaking all over the place. So I paused the print and I put some simple shipping tape on the sides, and it actually stopped that whole process of it shaking back and forth pretty dramatically. Anyway, next tip and trick I'm going to try is printing a brim around the whole bottom part and then taping that after a couple layers and then pausing the print. Anyway, hopefully that will help you guys starting out, and that is my quick Ender 3 Pro tip of the week, or should we say today. Anyway, Brian from Garage Mahal, thanks for watching, and this is actually going to be a Terminator 2 head, or Terminator 1, depending on what movie you like the most. And it's actually going to have a secret compartment to put a Google or way over there at Alexa. Anyway, stay tuned for that.